has announced the release of En Vivo, a new live Blu-ray double DVD and double soundtrack collection, which will hit stores March 27th. It features the gigantic new Eddie, which is Iron Maiden's longtime mascot, which has graced the stage for most of Maiden's career. The DVD was filmed April 10, 2011 in front of over 50,000 fans at the Estadio Nacional, Santiago, during the Round the World in 66 Days leg of the Final Frontier World Tour. It features songs from the Final Frontier as well as classics like 2 Minutes to Midnight, The Trooper, and The Number of the Beast. The band used 22 HD cameras to record the footage, and the audio portion of the show was recorded by producer Kevin Shirley, who also worked with the band for their latest album. Steve Harris talked about working with Kevin Shirley.
Well, Kevin is great to work with. I mean, he'll try and get the best out of us, and I think that the more he's been with us, the more he's realised the strengths of the band and the fact that the basic elements of the band are there and don't need to be kind of messed with. Not that he wanted to mess with him in the first place, but it's just he kind of, when you're getting to know, when you're working with someone, whatever, they try different things, and I think he's found that the strengths lie is not changing too much, really.
The second part of the DVD set is a bonus disc featuring a self-made documentary titled Behind the Beast. The film documents how the band gets their tour together and showcases behind the scenes at the concerts. The bonus disc also contains an extended version of the promo video, Satellite 15: The Final Frontier, a video about the making of Satellite 15: The Final Frontier, plus the opening video sequence to the Final Frontier World Tour. Also, collectors should watch out for the limited edition double DVD in a collector's steel bookcase and a double vinyl picture disc for the audio version. The track listing for En Vivo is as follows.